Ron Colby, Gary Yamamoto Custom Baits. Today we're going to show you how to trick up a spoon. Now you can buy these nicely colored spoons and stuff all over the place. You can get them in a lot of different colors. You can get like this Dave Wallace Wally Lure spoon. He's got a mesh on it and he's put a clear coat on it, put a little eye on there and stuff. Or you can do what we do a lot. I just get a plain silver Hopkins spoon. Change the hooks, put the split rings on it. We've talked about it before. And then buy you a set of permanent markers, colored markers. Any office supply, Safeway, grocery store, Kmart, Walmart, they carry all these. Get you the nice colored fluorescent pack. Then you can just play around with them a lot. Okay, so we've drawn some blue on there to mimic a shad. We want a little bit of red dot on here. We're going to put a little red dot right here. Maybe a little gill plate flare. Put a little red right there. Yeah, maybe we need a little chartreuse on this because they're biting some chartreuse. So you do a little lime green, color it, put that down there, mimic a little bluegill maybe down on the bottom towards that. There you go. You'll be amazed at how many more fish you'll catch by just tricking up a plain silver Hopkins spoon.